Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I got another Mora companion, stainless steel, and in order to make this thing scrape, I mean there is no edge whatsoever right there. You have to grind off, can you see that rolled over edge? About 1/16 of an inch to get a good square, a good sharp spine. So let me show you how I do that again. Now, I know that the grinding disc will be grinding material off this way, and this is the side that I want the burr on. So pay attention to that. Oh yeah. There might be just the least little bit of a rolled over edge there, but I think that's going to be fine. As I use this to scrape ferro rods and wood, and it gets dull, I will resharpen this on my diamond stone. And we'll go ahead and put a point on these bayite keychain ferro rods. I like to grind a point on these because the way that I use them, when I pin down tinder, if I don't have a point on there, they tend to slip and buckle on me as I'm putting pressure on the rod with the spine of my knife. So let me take my well-used ferro rod off my key ring, and I'll go ahead and point it. I've been missing the point. Yeah, I meant to say that. I've been missing the point. And the way I do is just chuck it up in my drill. And hold this drill exactly at 90 degrees to the disc. And it puts a point on there pretty quickly. And I don't need a long point, so I'll probably be holding up at it at an angle like that. All right, you can get a 3-pack of bayite keychain ferro rods on Amazon for about $12, $14. And I am glad that we finally have a point on my keychain ferro rod. And my new Mora companion stainless. And this is the edge that scrapes. So let's try the knife out and make sure it still works properly. All right, let's do our fire lay. And we'll go ahead and make some feathers now. The grain of this wood was very difficult to make shavings off of. But the Mora did a good job. It is really, really sharp. Let's try some feathers now. As hard as this wood is, we'd probably be better off just to make scrapings. Usually hard wood scrapes a whole lot better than soft. I struggled with this gnarled up oak a little bit, but the brand new sharp Mora companion did a good job with it. When I couldn't make feathers very well, I just switched over to these scrapings right here. Let's fire it up. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.